Bullish versus bullshit time. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to kind of put the drinking game that we normally do. This week, I have Crown Apple as my chosen liquor.
Did you ever have this?
Ooh, some rum chata. So we're gonna put that in with bullish versus bearish. So you guys are gonna get bullish versus bullshit. You guys are gonna get our takes on 3 hot stocks right now. 1 we've already talked about. 2 we haven't talked about before. And then we're gonna drink on some trivia questions about those stocks. So, Wish, Ant, bullish or bullshit?
So I know we went over this before. I am still bullish on it. I mentioned this on Twitter a few times and in Discord. The chart was just horrendous. It was not very organic once a lot of like Twitter hopped on it. I know when we entered it in May, it was on a complete downtrend since the IPO date, and it started to crawl off the bottom, and that's why I initially liked it. I know that's why we both initially liked it, because it was extremely undervalued, and then everybody hopped on it, and the growth hasn't been organic, and there were some gaps in the chart that needed to be filled. I charted it out. Both the targets I charted hit, and then actually today, which is Thursday, it had some nice movement. Broke over 11. I forget what it closed at. I think it closed at close to 11.
I liked the price action the last day and a half.
Yeah, you just gotta. In a month, I think this will be $15-16. You just gotta kind of let the noise die.
Yeah.
Let the chart cool off. Technicals need to cool off.
Eat those dips, man.
Exactly. Just if you have a high average, don't panic. But yeah, it's never good when a trade becomes overcrowded.
Yeah, especially with retail traders. But I'm going bullish on this one too. I think the last 2 days I've been watching the level 2 and I've been watching the charts, and I think we got the pullback that we needed. I think it was at 10:30 this morning pre-market, and I added quite a bit. At 10:30 or 10:40, I think, were the prices I added, and my average is under 11 now. I'm at like 10.90 something, because I bought quite a bit right above 11, like 11.05, 11.15, something like that.
Yep.
And I averaged down today, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think an average below 11 is pretty solid for the next week and a half, just for a short kind of swing. But yeah, I think we see 12 sooner than later, and then we see 15 within a month.
You got to think too, when you're playing like a growth company, you really shouldn't panic. I mean, if this was a shit penny stock that won't be around in 2 years, then I would understand the panic. But yeah, this goes back to what we told. If you're overextended with a $16-15 average or whatever, a high average, then maybe I could see you panicking. But
All right, trivia time. Get your shot ready, because I'm not losing about this one.
Nope.
What is Wish's current market cap as of today? Whoever gets closer wins. Whoever loses has to take the shot.
I think I saw this the other day. Isn't it like 6.9 billion or something?
All right, I'm glad you answered first, because I was going to say something very different. Okay, you say 6.7. I'm going to go 5.4. No, I'm not going 5.4. I'm going higher than you. You said 6.7. I'm saying 7.
Go ahead.
I'm saying 7.8.
Okay, I said 6.9, so we'll see.
6.9? Okay.
Sex, yeah. Do you have it?
Wish. I'm about to pull it up right now. Market cap. Fuck! 6.45.
Ooh.
You're right.
I saw it somewhere the other day.
Motherfucker. Dude, Crown Apple's so good. I was thinking about it earlier today.
You like the peach, right?
I think it's better than the peach.
I like the peach a lot. The apple's
Peach
really
is pretty good. Apple just tastes so much like apple. Like, when I'm pouring a shot, usually I pour it super low so that I don't have to do more of a shot. But dude, the Crown Apple, sometimes I'm like, damn.
You know what that goes good with? That goes good with
rum chata? I've never had that.
It's good.
All right, here's the shot.
Damn, is that a regulation shot glass?
I don't know,
It
man.
looks gigantic.
This is what it is compared to my hand. I feel like it's pretty normal.
Oh yeah, it's just a little taller.
All right, next up. Ashford Hospitality Trust. AHT.
That's
How you
a
feeling?
good one. Not great.
Are we calling bullshit? I'm calling bullshit. Are you calling bullshit?
Well, first off, let me just say, I was never in this stock and never even thought of getting in this stock. I scalped it a few times,
Okay.
like just day traded it, but I don't want to talk shit, but I don't really know what the appeal behind this was. I know this was a Twitter favorite, but
Does that sound like a bullshit?
yeah, that's big time bullshit. I
Two
actually
of
feel
us.
I feel bad. I know
Me
people
too.
got absolutely smoked on that, and it sucks. Like, I'm not gonna sit here. I love Zach Morris and the Atlas guys. So and when they called it, it ran. I think it went 100%.
It was a good call.
Yeah, it was a great call. I think it went 100%. But I know a lot of people got burned on it. So, and I never saw the appeal behind it
Yeah.
because that was a dying company. So yeah, bullshit, big time.
Yeah. Two things for me. It was an absolute fucking stellar call by Zach Morris. It's all about the timing. He timed it perfectly. He called it, and then it ran 100%. I think it might have even hit 150% for him. But fucking great call. People just don't know how to take profits most of the time. But I'm calling bullshit on this for two reasons. Their dilution over the past year, their market cap is over double what it was before COVID. So the fact that they're trading this high, or were trading this high, is horrible. They had no reason to be higher than they were before COVID when they had to dilute after COVID. So yeah, AHT was not. It was never bullish for me. It was always bullshit for me because of that fact. The market cap. I take a lot of market cap. Is pretty important to my trading strategy based on like revenue, market cap, all their numbers. I like to put them together. And AHTs didn't line up for quite a while there. Their market cap was too high. It was what it was before COVID. I'm going to say that about 5 more times. It was what it was before COVID. It was what it was before COVID. It was more than what it was before COVID. When their company has been dying for a full year and diluting. And they diluted again. That is reason number 2 why it is bullshit. They diluted again. You can't trust a company who's going to dilute on your ass over and over and over and over and over, which they've been doing for the past year. I think AHT Rob on Twitter deserves a criminal fucking, I don't even know what it is, but something. Because he got on Twitter and then decided to talk about his stock right before they reverse split. I think that's absolute BS. You cannot do that to people in the retail world. I'm about to start connecting my followers to CEOs, and I'm going to make sure that those CEOs are not doing something similar to this, that we're not going to drop an offering after they talk to me on Zoom with my homies and my Slappy gang.
It's a fire shirt.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And also, dude, we're going to be bringing out merch for the Halt eventually.
Yeah, and it's not going to be any. It's going to actually, like, when you think of merch, you think of like not stuff that does not look good, and I can promise you, it's going to be not like merch you've ever seen. It's going to be actually something you could be like, yeah, damn, I could like wear that out. Like I could wear that somewhere, and it's not gonna, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, I could wear that to a bar and feel super like sick. Like I feel slick in it. I feel like I could look cool with like a cool crowd.
When I think of merch, I think of like a huge logo plastered on a shirt that I would never
crappy
wear.
shirt.
Yeah, no.
I definitely want to do these color comfort shirts again. These are sweet, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but AHT BS. But we're gonna get to the shot. What was their share price before the COVID-19 crash?
Are we talking like beginning of last year?
Yeah, so we'll do January 1st of 2020. I'll go first on this one. You went first on the last one.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna say $11.
I thought it was way higher than that. Yeah, it wasn't somebody was arguing on Twitter about this. You said 11?
Yeah,
Okay, so I'm gonna say $17.
$17. Okay. Let me hop over here onto my Webull.
I thought
on
it was
my
close to 20 or something, maybe more.
I honestly have no idea what the answer to this question is. Yeah, so I'm looking at the chart right now. Zach Morris called it at like $3 and it ran to 775. That's 100%, 150%. So yeah, you got to take profit there, everybody. All right, here we go. The first day of 2020. Damn it, it was $27.
Yeah, dude, I is it 27 for real?
Yeah, it's $27. All right, I guess I'm getting drunk on another episode.
January. Oh, damn, it was 27 bucks. Dude, it was,
Dang.
what the hell? It was
That's a
80.
lot of damn money. Holy crap. That's
It's a
$27. They diluted an absolute crap load. All right. I'm not getting sweeped here. So, Amazon. Bullish or bullshit on Amazon right now? It's at all-time highs. What are you thinking? Cheers, everybody.
So, I don't know how to answer this because I love Amazon, but
Woo!
I'm calling bullshit for the fact that they have to split their stock.
Yeah.
So, would that be bullish? I don't know. Bullish once they split their stock. For sure, that's something I would add, but
Yeah. I think I'm in the
So-
same exact boat as you. I think bullish when they announce a split.
They have
which,
to.
I mean, they have to here soon. Like, they have to within the next few months. But for now, they need to return to support. So, like, bullshit
almost at
for
$4,000.
a week or two, man. Like, they don't pull back very often. Bullshit for a few weeks. Bullshit for maybe a month. But then bullish after that. They're going to...
yeah, I mean, if you're
They're
not splitting your stock when it's at $4,000, what are you really doing?
Yeah, exactly. Like they're kind of losing the crowd of beginner traders. No one who's investing right now is gonna want to buy a $4,000 stock if they're starting out. All right.
Or
The
could afford
question
to.
is, before COVID, so the exact same question, before the COVID crash, the first day of 2020, what was the share price?
The first day of 2020.
Yeah.
What's it at now? $4,000.
Yeah.
First day of 2020. Let's say 1,800.
1,800.
Yeah.
I'm thinking hard about this one because I'm not losing this one.
That was just a complete guess. I really don't know. I have no idea. So. Actually, I feel like it'd be less than that. I don't know.
Nah, I feel like it's more than that. My gut initially wanted to say 20.